You already got another one in. This time it's a 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. So I think they're Super Beetles this time, right? Supposedly it was restored back in '96. At least that's what the plaque on the dash says. The interior don't look too bad either. But they recovered those seats. Ooh, man, the back of here, it's like it's got that foam. But I think it came from Nebraska. At least that's what it says on the plaque. The guy who restored it was in Nebraska. There's the VIN on it. I don't know what they want for it. I'm gonna have to look and see, because he doesn't have a price on this one like he does on the other ones. So open that. I know jack crap about Volkswagens in there. Air-cooled engines. Oh, she's gonna start that alarm. I didn't make it. Dang it, man. Oh man, we're gonna have to, well, you know what? Headliner's in pretty good shape. Seats are decent. There's a restored by right there. Alright people, this is the part of the video where we start the voiceover. I thought I'd spare you the lovely sound of that siren going off in the background for the next couple of minutes or so. So here I'm trying to open the hood. Believe it or not, I had no idea that that's the way you open the hood on these things. My entire life I've never been around Volkswagens, don't know anything about them to this day really. And probably, well, I've owned a Jetta, a 95 Jetta back in the 90s. No, it wasn't in the 90s, early 2000s. And for a few months, then I rolled it into a ditch on my birthday of all days that almost killed myself. Yeah, so that was the end of my Volkswagen days. But anyways, I'm sure you saw that rust down there. See a little more on the other side. But yeah, I remember in that video, people were leaving a bunch of comments going, "Oh, you were so close. We were looking in the glove box. You know, the lever was right there." Well, I remember this time. So anyhow, I asked the guy afterwards, after I left, what was he asking on the car, and he said he'd take $1,700 out the door. So since the video, the siren was going off, I was like, oh man, you know what? I'm just gonna come back and remake this video. Now that I know the price and everything. But I went back a few days later, and the car was gone. So he ended up selling it. It is what it is. I said, well, I'm not gonna get rid of the video. I'm just gonna scrap it. I'm gonna put it out there anyways. So took another look on this side of the in the dash. There were the hubcaps. They seem to be in good shape. I don't know if I got a good, was able to see that odometer reading very well, but yeah, I mean, interior was, like I said, it was nice. Held up pretty good. This place, like, was called the Volkswagen Shop. Maybe the Google man will look that place up if it still exists. Looks like they were doing their maintenance work there. But yeah, we're gonna just look under the hood, or I guess that's what you call it, right? Or as they say, across the pond, the bonnet. And not much to speak of in here. Spare. There's the looks like the windshield wiper fluid. You know, so they did a decent job, pretty good job, I think, at restoring it. But I mean, looks like that rust just came back. It is what it is. So, but that's pretty much gonna do her. On to the next one.